Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are back again with a new video, Python program to clear the rightmost set bit of a number. So let's start this with the program. In the first line, this line defines a function named clear rightmost set bit. It takes one parameter n which is accepted to be a non-negative integer. Now in the next line, these are docstring that describes what the function does, explains the parameter and return the value. Here input a non-negative integer n and output the integer with its rightmost set bit cleared. Now let's move to the main logic. This line implements the logic for clearing the rightmost set bit. Here n-1 subtracting 1 from n flips all bits to the right of the rightmost set bit in n, and here bitwise AND performs a bitwise AND operation between n and n-1. This operation clears the rightmost set bit in a while, leaving all other bits unchanged, and returns the resulting integer. Now in the next line, here the input function prompts the user to enter a value. The input is a string by default, so the int function converts this string to an integer. The resulting integer is stored in the variable num. Here, this code validates or assumes the user will enter a valid non-negative integer. If the input is invalid, the program will raise an error. To handle invalid input, additional validation would be needed. Now, in the next line here, the function clear rightmost set bit is called with num as the argument. The result of the function is stored in the variable result. Now, in the next line, here this outputs the original number num in both decimal and binary formats. Here, binary number converts num into its binary representation as a string prefixed with 0 binary. Now, in the next line, in the last line, this outputs the result, the number after clearing the rightmost set bit in both decimal and binary formats. So let's check this program. We have to enter a non-negative integer. I am entering 12. Hence, the original number is 12 and its binary is number after clearing the rightmost set bit is 8. So, thanks for watching this video.